In this podcast, natural English has been used, not bookish English, so that you can speak fluently.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Kavya. Today, I thought we'd spend the day exploring new things together and also practice some English along the way. Today, I'm not working, so I want to try things I usually don't do. I really enjoy having a routine, but it's also fun to break out of it sometimes. Usually, I stick to my 3 favorite spots: my coffee shop, my dinner place, and some shops I love. I think I have a bit of an obsessive personality because I rarely stray from these spots. Today, I want to try new places, so I found a workout class on YouTube. It's a hybrid dance workout class. I wouldn't say I'm a great dancer. I signed up last night at 8 p.m. and we're going to try it together. I also want to check out a new coffee shop and maybe visit a museum later. I usually do a simple gym routine, 45 minutes on the treadmill at an incline. This class was completely different, and that's the point, trying something new. The class felt like a mini rave with music and lights. The choreography was harder than I expected, especially for my arms. I had a lot of fun, and I met someone who suggested a nearby coffee shop. I went to Cafe Coffee, which is inside a hotel. It was peaceful and relaxing. I tried a honey latte instead of my usual vanilla latte. It wasn't too sweet, and it was a nice treat after a crazy workout. Getting up early to work out is a big form of delayed gratification for me. I'm not naturally a morning person. I hate waking up at 6 a.m., but I feel great now. Even though I felt nervous and self-conscious in the class, I realized everyone is focused on themselves. After freshening up, I went for lunch at Hotel Country, and it's beautiful. I treated myself to a cheese plate and a Diet Coke. I wanted to visit a museum, but it was closed. Instead, I explored nearby galleries. It was spontaneous and fun to walk into different streets. I feel it's important to enjoy time alone because it won't last forever once I have a family. I decided to see a movie by myself, and it was surprisingly fun. Going to the movies alone is comforting because you just watch without needing to talk. Back home, I cooked a simple leftover meal with sweet potato. Today was a good reminder to break routines and try new things sometimes. I hope this inspires you to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. See you in the next episode.